Hey girlfriends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Grab your vacuum or your snacks and join me for another quick clean with me. If you missed my latest video, I recently did a tween makeover for my daughter, and if you're interested in the fun part of that transformation, I'll be sure to link a video down below. Before we get started, if you can like this video, it helps out my channel so much. So for cleaning motivation, I always like to start in my bedroom or in my kitchen, but today we are starting with laundry because I have it. But also, real talk, I can let this run in the washing machine while I do something else, and I can switch it out in the end. Let me know if this is true for you. When I'm in the process of doing makeovers or any other projects, other spaces in my home tend to get neglected. I don't know what it is, but it is really hard to manage. Comment below letting me know if you feel the same way, or if this is something that you kind of struggle with as well. But this is why today I wanted to do a quick tidy to give my home a little bit of TLC.
Wasted too much heart on you. Wish I learned to use my head. Cause right before I fell for you, I fell right into your bed.
Friday nights are movie nights in my home, and it is one of my favorite nights with my family. We make homemade pizza, we watch a movie, sometimes new, and sometimes we just vote on an old movie. So on Saturdays, I like to give our carpets a really good clean. I typically vacuum our floors once a week, but since I recently learned of slow vacuuming from Amanda from This Crazy Life, I make it a point to slow vacuum the high traffic areas of my home. And y'all, this has made a huge difference in my home. So if you are not currently slow vacuuming your floors, I would highly suggest that you do at least once or twice a month. It makes a huge difference.
You left me hurt, but I won't cry as long as I give me some closure. Who you think you are, you're lucky that I don't want revenge. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer.
So I just wanted to give our living room a really good tidy. Like I said, family night is on Friday night, and we tend to eat in the living room, and we have candy and popcorn and things of that nature. So I just wanted to straighten up the pillows and then vacuum any sugar or crumbs that I see on the couch.
To her, 'cause I got what I want, closure. Want it badly, but I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much to rely on.
Since slow vacuuming my floors, I have seen such a benefit to doing this. There is less dust in the air, everything seems a lot cleaner, and I feel like I don't have to pull out my shampoo cleaner as often. So I speed up my videos, but I will slow it down for you to see the actual speed. It usually takes about 10 minutes to do this open space in the main living area, or 5 minutes in a designated space. But it is very amazing to see how much you get out of your floors when you do slow vacuum. So I don't think that this is something you should do every day, but at least once or twice a month would be very beneficial.
But if you love something, let it go. Tomorrow comes, it's another day. So if you love something, let it go.
Now that I got the laundry switched out, I'm going to go ahead and put these energy bites that my family absolutely loves, and you guys will see my kids even sneak some while I'm putting some away. They're super easy to make, and I will be sure to list the recipe in my description box below. They're a quick go-to snack, and sometimes we'll even have them for breakfast if we're short on time. But I'm curious, what is your family's favorite go-to snack? just want to take the time to say thank you to my day one girlfriends. I know I have not been uploading as usual, but I will get my life together. I promise you. After recovering from my second COVID shot, that really took a number on me. Taking some online certification courses in mental health, researching homeschool curriculum, and balancing everyday life has been a lot. Lately, I have forgotten my why on starting my YouTube journey, but thanks to my husband Lyle, I have found it, and I am going to stop trying to give perfection or quality. Well, let me rewind that a little bit. I'm still going to give quality because I do believe in making my videos a little bit better than my last, because I'm always looking for growth. I'm not going to over obsess over the quality of the video, but the quantity. I'm here to provide weekly cleaning motivation for the everyday woman. Life challenges are not supposed to paralyze you, but when it does, remember who's holding the remote and press the pause button when needed. So, if this is your first time here on my channel, girlfriend, I want to say welcome, and I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Sherrell. I'm a wife to Lyle and 2 Hershey Kisses who are 11 and 9 years old. I love providing weekly inspiration, and if you like what you see today, make sure that you hit that little red subscribe button below, and I'd love to have you be a part of this amazing community. Now that I quickly tidied my home, I'm going to go ahead and fold this laundry, which I'm really proud of myself because I have been folding laundry when it is freshly dried, because y'all know laundry and we don't get along because it is my least favorite task, and I have no shame in letting laundry sit in a basket or on a bench for days. I do think it has a lot to do with my makeover in my bedroom, which I cannot wait to show you guys the reveal. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so because I share a little bit of sneak peek of what it looks like so far. Alright girlfriends, we are near the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed it and that it gave you some motivation. If you enjoyed this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to say hi in the comments or leave a yellow heart emoji. I'll see you in the next one, girlfriend, and remember to train your eyes to see God's goodness and favor upon you. Until next time, stay beautiful.